Halo, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everybody. In this meeting 5 and 6, we'd like to discuss how to use Google Form. And there are some by using Google Drive in general. We'd like to explore them. How could we use for learning or e-learning process? There are some that will be used later on. I hope you can join with us later on. For example, I will ask you to submit your email. So we'll have a kind of big classroom for chatting. And next also we'd like to practice how to create such as Google Form. I think you know, and also have tried to fill Google Form. So we'd like to practice how to create Google Form later on. Right, so firstly, let's see the process. Firstly, you need to join Google or log into your account, Google, such as Gmail, then try to open your Drive. Okay, and Drive is on this side. In Drive, you will see some here. You click new and you will see there are some activities that can be done here. For example, there is a Google Doc, Google Sheet, Google Slide, Google Form. And here there are some also others such as Google Drawing, Google Map, Google Sites, and some other. And today we'd like to practice about how to use Google Form. Okay, so Google Form is a kind of application provided by Google to be used such as for survey or question. Right, now we check it. Okay, now for example, we'd like to have a small survey. For example, I will ask the student to get the information about their favorite food. For example, I will make it as the title, student or English, students' favorite food. Okay, so we can make the name of this survey, okay, directly, just click it here. So I put, for example, in the survey, you are asked to feel about your favorite food. Okay, for example, first I'd like to make name, and we can, they will try to give a kind of recommendation, for example, short answer. And also there are some short answer, paragraph, it is a kind of long answer, multiple choice, only one answer. Checkbox, it will be provided more than one answer. Drop box or drop down, it is the same with multiple choice, but they've dropped as the way to perform. And file upload, whenever we request the student or the survey to upload their own file. Then linear scale, for example, this is used for Likert scale 1 to 5, for example. Multiple choice, whenever we have more than one answer and more question. Checkbox grid, almost the same, but more answer can be filled. Then it is related to the date of the filling of the form and time. So for this one, we choose short answer. And here we have also required, whenever we put it in active, so active, it means the respondent have to fill or a must. But if we just make it blank like this, it means they can have a choice to not to answer the question. Okay, here I'd like to make it as a compulsory. Then, for example, I will ask, what is your favorite food? Okay, now I'd like to give them some option. For example, I put the first one is bread, then fried rice, then for example, noodle. Okay, so it is a kind of multiple choice. So they just only have one answer for each question. Okay, and if we'd like to have the student, they may fill more than one answer. We choose checkbox. It means they will have a chance. Maybe they can answer more than one question. For example, their favorite food is fried rice and noodle. But if we make it as multiple, they only have one choice. Okay, so for example, we make it like this. Then it is also compulsory. And you also have some option here. For example, to import question, and then the text or description, and then picture, video, and add the section. Okay, so I will ask you to create this kind of question based on the model that I will give to you. All right, that's all for the first meeting. I hope you will do your own quiz later on. Right, see you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.